You can be not in total love with yourself and still be wholly and fully loved. And I bet that you are. So today is a meditation for love and acceptance, for self-love and self-acceptance. And it's going to be guided by the theme of love that comes toward us from other people. This is not a meditation for codependence, I promise you, but something that is taught a lot to people and that it makes my blood boil is that if you don't love yourself, then you are not capable of receiving love. And that is so untrue, because I know that there have been many times in my life where I was not at all in love with myself, definitely not in like with myself, and people really loved me truly and deeply and demonstratively. And it made it hard to accept that love. It made it difficult to have relationships with people sometimes because I wasn't able to see that I was worthy of that love. But you can be not in total love with yourself and still be wholly and fully loved. And I bet that you are. I bet that you are. So what I did was I created a meditation and I created mantras around trusting those people that you love and respect and admire, taking stock in what's true, seeing the evidence that you are lovable. So you might not feel lovable and you might not love yourself so much and you might not like yourself so much, but when you start to gather the evidence of, am I lovable? You start to see that those feelings of yours might not be based in reality. Think about that for a minute. Where is the evidence that I'm not lovable? So with a big inhale and letting go exhale, I want you to intentionally, consciously, with just a little bit of effort, move into an energetic space that's going to be the container for this meditation, that's going to hold you warmly and serve you perfectly in your time in meditation. So maybe you want to close your eyes if it feels safe for you. If it doesn't, you can just gaze on a spot across the room or on the floor right past the tip of your nose. With your eyes closed or with your gaze fixed softly upon a spot, start to imagine an actual physical space. A beautiful and calming space, filled with light, one that's warm, a space that invites you to just come in and sit down and just be at total ease. And while you're imagining this space, settle into your easy or comfortable seat, and that just means settle into wherever you are with no discomfort. Shimmy into place so that everything feels easy. Sit up tall if you can, so that you can imagine a clear path from the crown of your head all the way down to your seat. Rest your hands however you'd like, but I like the more vulnerable position of keeping my hands upturned and resting on my knees or my thighs. And just bring your attention to your breath. Natural and effortless. Follow your inhales in through your nose, down the back of your throat, filling your chest and your belly, letting your belly be soft and expand with the inhale, and then exhale, letting it all go. Know and accept that in this moment, you are doing something loving and nourishing for yourself. Because you are, in fact, lovable. This is happening right now, this meditation, because you are worthy of it. Your spirit called, wanting to be loved, and you showed up. And I showed up. Know that in this moment you are doing something loving and nourishing for yourself because you are lovable. And that is proof. I've already told you that I don't even want to repeat the words because they're so untrue. You do not have to love yourself in order to be loved. But noticing the love of others and accepting that as evidence of how magnetic and worthy and brilliant and deserving you are of that love, of that nourishment, will surely help you to receive more. It will open your eyes to more loving gestures and opportunities. It will allow you to shine brighter, to carry yourself more confidently. And when you do that, more love wants to live in you. It wants to come to you. But I understand it's hard. Sometimes it's hard to hold on to that belief that you are lovable, that you are worthy. And that's okay. It's normal. And in those moments, remember my words. There is evidence all around me that I am so loved. There is evidence everywhere that I impact the lives of others in a positive and loving way. There is evidence within my view that I matter, that I am appreciated. I do good. I am good. I love, and I am lovable. I love and accept myself as I am in this moment. Take a big inhale with me. Exhale, release. Repeat these words either silently or aloud. I love and accept myself as I am in this moment. I love and accept myself as I am in this moment. If it feels good to you, place one hand over your heart space, another on your belly. If not, you can just keep your hands wherever they were. As you inhale and exhale, feel life force moving through you. Feel yourself becoming energized and affirmed by your breath. The affirmation being, I am here, I am worthy, I am whole, I am lovable. Inhale. Exhale. I am here, I am worthy, I am whole, I am lovable. I am here, I am worthy, I am whole, I am lovable. I am here, I am worthy, I am whole, I am lovable. Return your attention to your easy, effortless, natural inhales and exhales. Return to paying attention to all the sensations in your body, the physical sensations. Maybe rocking a bit in your seat. Just waking up a little bit more, wiggling your fingers and toes. Preparing yourself with the next inhale and exhale to open your eyes and return to the day. Inhale. And exhale, open your eyes. I get it. It's really hard sometimes to love yourself. With our changing circumstances, our changing emotions, the fluctuations of up and down and being pulled forward and backward, our changing bodies. It could be hard. It could be hard work. And you might fall in and out of love with yourself 100 times a day. And that's fine. It's normal. It's okay. I just want you to feel a little bit of peace in the belief and feel affirmed by the love of others, because it exists. Sometimes it's hard to see because we block it because we're not feeling so in love with ourselves, but it's there. You do good. You are good. You are worthy. You are lovable. You are inherently lovable because you are, because you exist. I will see you soon, tomorrow, for your personal development talk on Wednesday. Gosh, that word personal development, it's so weird, but I mean, that's what it is. All right. I love you. Leave your comments below, your requests below, your criticisms, if they're nice, below, and have a wonderful day.